How do metals react with solutions of other metal salts? The more reactive metals can displace the less reactive metals from their compounds in solution or molten form. Metal A+, salt solution of B, gives salt solution of A+, metal B. When an iron nail is dipped into the copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate solution gets faded because of removal of copper from it, and the iron nail becomes brownish due to the deposit of copper on it. When a magnesium strip is dipped in blue copper sulfate solution, the copper sulfate solution becomes colorless, and the magnesium strip becomes brown. Here magnesium displaces copper from copper sulfate solution.